everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I am Ankita, and in today's video we are gonna do like never have I ever Q&A video. Oh my god guys, I'm super excited and at the same time I'm super nervous as well, because there are so many questions that I have jotted down from the internet only, and there were 100 questions on the internet. From them, from out of it I have chosen 20 questions around, and they're from the funniest, embarrassing categories and everything, and all the questions are written in front of me. I haven't gone through any of the questions, like itna purposely nahi gayi hu. I have just jotted down, and I'm gonna reveal so many things about me, trust me. So stay tuned till the last. Also guys, I'm gonna play this one alone, because the same way I'm in my life also. So I have no one to play it with, so I'm gonna play it alone for the time being. For next any more videos, I will join in with my brothers or my friends or anyone. And guys, I have two sort of drinks in front of me. These are the ones. This is the black coke, something like thumbs up, or I don't know which one is this, and this is my favorite Maaza. And guys, I love these sort of orange juices, but these black cokes, they are not of my type. I just hate these black cokes. This is a hell no for me. I don't know why, I just hate the burp that comes after drinking this. So I am going to drink this one for the questions that I am like not able to answer, or I am answering in a negative manner, like if I did something that was bad. So for that I will be drinking this one, and if I am answering any of the questions that is good and I haven't done that, then for that I am going to drink this one. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed. Don't want to drink this. Let me just keep it aside, and we are gonna start with this video. And yeah, now let's roll. So guys, I'm gonna read out all of the questions from my phone only, and we are then gonna answer. So the first question is, never have I ever played a hooky from school or work. I did that, and I think everyone did that thing. Oh my god, I am saying it so proudly, and now I just like got in my head, I have to drink this drink. First of all, let me drink this one, then we are gonna move ahead. I just hate black cokes. I don't know how people they drink black cokes. I like so much respect and hats off to them because I just hate these drinks. So yeah, coming back to the question, played a hooky from school or work. So I did a lot. Like in my school days, I did so many times. Like classes I used to do some nuisance I used to create, and then teacher, she used to like make me stand outside of the class, and then from outside of the class I go somewhere here and there, like chupte chupate from my principal's eyes. Chupte chupate, I used to go outside. I used to eat ice cream. Can you imagine? Have you ever did this thing? Like any of you have done this thing, then do let me know in the comment section, because I have done this in my 10th grade, and not in my 10th grade, in my 11th grade and in my 12th as well. I used to do this thing like मैं बड़ी अभी हुई हूँ, trust me. उससे पहले मैं बच्चा ही था, and then my parents used to come to the school and all these things were happening. And colleges, I did a lot, like never had got my 75% of attendance, never maintained that level. So I did a lot. Okay, now moving ahead to our second question, we have that never have I ever rode a motorcycle. I would say yes, I rode a motorcycle. Actually, I was learning. I was like trying to learn motorcycle with one of my friends, but somehow I managed to fell from that. Even with my brother as well. My brothers, they were like making me to learn, but that accelerator or gear, what do you call it? वो मुझसे ज़्यादा हो गया, and we both fell down. And मेरे पैर पे लगी थी, and I still have that mark. So that's how it is. Okay, I forgot to drink. I so don't want to drink this drink. Okay, now moving ahead, I have never have I ever stolen anything. Like as an adult, I never did that thing, but as a child, sometimes for having some chocolates or toffee something, I used to get like 1 or 2 rupee coins if they are lying here and there in my at my home. So I used to take that. So that was something kiddish, not like stolen, I would say, because I was child and I didn't know that thing much. Never from my papa's pocket. Remember that. If it is lying here and there in front of TV or on the refrigerator, fridge के ऊपर रखा हुआ है, टीवी के सामने रखा हुआ है. From there I used to get. Pocket से कभी नहीं निकाला. So this is how I was in my childhood. So yeah, I did that. So for that also I have to drink this one. I am just like thinking कि burp now. Now moving ahead, never have I ever gotten a tattoo. No. Guys, I am a person who just don't like tattoos, but still I want one tattoo, and that is somewhere in this pulse area or in this neck area. These are the two areas that I like to have a tattoo. If I ever would love to have this pulse area, something like very I would say hot. So that's how it is. मैंने पिया कि नहीं पिया? Whatever it is. I am just hating it. My head is about to spin. Now next question. Never have I ever bribed someone. No, I never did this thing. First of all, I'm very happy because I get to drink this one, and I'm gonna have a very big sip. It is a heaven to me, Jannat. And now I haven't ever bribed anyone. Like मुझे bribing करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी, कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Not even to my brothers also, because मैं उनको बोल देती हूँ and they do everything. Like होता है ना brothers and sisters में कि मैं तुझे chocolate खिलाऊंगी तो तू उसको मत बताना, इसको मत बताना. I never did that because my brothers and me, we have some sort of understanding. So we never did this thing. Never have I ever fallen asleep in public. Oh my God. I am a person who can sleep anywhere, anytime. And these days, trust me, मैं आपको current scenario बता रही हूँ. Like these days, I am having this habit. Like I have to make YouTube videos. I have to do a job as well. That is 9 to 5 job, and out of which I have to take out times to edit, make videos and everything, all that, manage so many things. And I'm not getting time to sleep. I'm never sleeping on time. I'm having 4 hours of sleep for whole week, and I get a proper sleep only on Saturday morning. So I am a person who is sleeping all the time while coming back from office. So that's how it is. I always sleep in public. I always sleep in public. So I have to drink this one. Oh my God. Now moving ahead. Never have I ever used someone else's toothbrush. Oh my God. No, never. This is something that I would never love to do, and I have never done that. No. Now moving ahead, never have I ever fought in public. Oh my God. Like I would not say fought in public, but I would say in a group, because I did that thing, fought in public. It's not kind of that fighting, like cat fight that girls have. Not that kind of fight, but verbal fights we had with my friends. They are not friends also, not kind of close friends, but they're in connection with me. But these girls were bitching about me and my best friend, who used to be my best friend at that time. So these girls were bitching about me, and one girl was sitting with them who was my friend. She came in my room, told me all these things that were happening in the room. And so I am a person, like if someone is bitching about me, let them bitch, I'll not care at all. But if I'll get to know about that thing, and at that particular moment something is happening, I am gonna go and fight for that thing. I was that kind of person in my graduation days, and now I have kind of changed a lot, because this is a kind of very bad habit, because people are having mouth, they can say anything, so we cannot stop them. But I was that kind of person in my graduation days, so I just went and I started screaming. We started fighting. We had such a bad fight. Like for the 4 years of my graduation, we never had a talk. Like we never used to see each other. That kind of thing happened. So that's how it is. Like I'm not a kind of fighting girl, but I did that for something goes wrong. So मैं कर देती हूँ sometimes. बोलते रहो. I don't give a shit about that thing. So that's how I am right now. So yes, I did. Oh God, why you did, Ankita? Next, never have I ever been to a destination wedding. Oh my God, no. I have never been to a destination wedding, and I would love to have my wedding to be a destination wedding, because I love destination weddings. They are something that like super cool. I would say, like you have to plan something around somewhere in some new place, and everyone will come over there. So super cool. That's how it is in my mind. So I have never been, but I would love to have my wedding as a destination wedding. So yeah, never been. So I have to drink this one. No, never did that. So never have I ever re-gifted a gift. Oh my god, everyone did that, I guess, because re-gifting a gift is like a culture. I would say I did or not. I don't remember particularly. I'm not able to remember. So I will drink both of them because I'm not able to remember whether I did or not. I don't know. Oh my god, combo. Moving ahead, never have I ever got on the wrong train or bus. I have never gone on a wrong train or bus, but yeah, I missed my train. Right in front of my eyes, my train was going and I was standing on another platform. That's the thing that happened with me. So yeah, it happened with me. And I was standing on another platform, like on platform number 2, and my train, it used to come on platform number 2, but somehow on that particular day, it came on platform number 4 and there was no announcement and all, and I missed my train. And then when it was going, it has started already, and then announcement came that it is like departing from there, and I was like looking like this and my tears were falling because I was in graduation at that time, and I started crying because I thought Papa will scold me for that thing, and Papa didn't scold me. And also with that, rain started and I was so much in panic. Then I did another booking of mine. I went to my hostel back and I came the next day, and that was during the Diwali holidays. So yeah, I like missed my train. Never have I ever gone on a solo vacation. No, I never did that thing, but I would love to do that because it's something, it's in my bucket list, and I would love to go somewhere on a solo vacation. If I'll go, I'll take you guys along with me. Stay tuned. I didn't do that, so yeah. Okay, never have I ever ate an entire pizza by myself. Yeah, I finished an entire pizza. Pizza is something I love, and with pizza people drink this Coke, but I'm a person who loves to have my favorite. So entire pizza I can eat, but not that big one. Chotu wala regular size pizza, I can eat an entire pizza. आया है ना, drinking a wrong drink. आप लोग बता नहीं रहे हो. Next, never have I ever trolled someone on social media. Oh my god. Trolled on someone on social media? No, never. And I would love to say that never do that. I will never encourage this sort of things in my platform, because trolling on social media is something like people, though these are those people who are coward, I would say, because they don't have that courage to say anything in front of the person. Instead, they make fake IDs. They use different IDs to like troll people on social media, be it YouTube, be it Instagram, be it Facebook, or any other platform it is. So these are those people who have no courage, no confidence to stand in front of the person and say anything that they want to say, that they are writing on that particular post. Why you are taking out so much of your time and so much of your efforts of your fingers and putting out so many good words out on that post? Like why people do, I have no idea. Like burping because of this, sorry guys. It's something that gives depression and anxiety to a person, and you will never ever know like what kind of depression or anxiety a person is facing already, and they want to live their life on social media, and you guys are trolling them, and what the person is going through, you will never get to know about the person on the social media. So because on social media people put out their best, they don't show the back history. Like in front of you guys, I'm sitting right now, you guys don't know what is like going on in my head and what I'm going through in my life, like in a personal life, what I'm going through. You guys don't know about that thing. So don't do trolling and all these things. If you are using any kind of bad words or anything that you are writing on social media on any of the posts, please don't do that. I cannot say much, but please don't do that. So yeah, I have never done that thing and I will never do. That's all. Next up, never have I ever laughed so hard. Oh my god, this one is super embarrassing. Okay. Never have I ever laughed so hard. मैं पहले से drink उठा लेती because it's as an adult. No, never as an adult. But as a child, for that I would say yes. And I guess सबने किया होगा. Now let me read out the question. Never have I ever laughed so hard that I peed my pants as an adult. Not as an adult, but as a child, everyone did that, I guess. So everyone did that. Not as an adult, never. Because you will get that controlling power and you should get that controlling power, because otherwise it's going to be so embarrassing. So yes, and every one of you guys also did that. Do let me know in the comment section अगर आपने भी किया है तो बताना जरूर. Next, never have I ever wanted to be on a reality TV show. Actually I always aspired to be a model, and apart from that also as an actress, because I wanted to start my journey as a model, then converted into actress in TV shows or anything. But somehow I landed up here on YouTube. So always wanted to be on a TV show. So I always wanted to be. I did that. यार ये तो खत्म होने वाली है, उस वाली को खत्म होने का नाम भी नहीं आ रहा. नेक्स्ट, नेवर हैव आई एवर गॉन वायरल ऑनलाइन. नो, नेवर गॉन वायरल ऑनलाइन. मेरी इतनी अच्छी किस्मत ही नहीं है कि जैसे लोग रातों रात वायरल हो जाते हैं मैं भी हो जाऊं. ऐसी किस्मत नहीं रही. नेवर हैपेंड विद मी. Guys, please excuse this bark of the dogs. Never have I ever left gum in a public space. Never did that thing. Because it's something very, first of all, very yuck. हाँ, मेरे hairs पे लगा है, मेरे खुद के hairs पे लगा है, बाद में वो कट करने पड़े हैं. So that was the thing that happened with me, but never left a gum on either a table or a chair or any. Never ever. Public space पे कहीं पे या घर में कहीं पे मैंने gum नहीं छोड़ा कभी भी. I always chewed and उसको फिर निकाल के पेपर पे रोल करके and I'll throw it in the dustbins. So yeah. बहुत burping हो रही है. That's why I hate black cokes. Next, never have I ever ran a marathon. Marathon I didn't run, but yes, I did ran in a cross country race. And those who don't know, let me tell you guys that I'm a athlete, and in my school days I used to participate in all these sports. That's how I was. So I was an athlete, so obviously I ran not a marathon, but yeah, क्रॉस कंट्री रेस, जिसमें हमारे क्लास के हमारे स्कूल के सारे बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, एंड आई आल्सो पार्टिसिपेटेड, एंड इन दैट आई केम थर्ड. पार्टिसिपेटेड. ड्रिंक दिस वन. Next up, never have I ever received a lap dance. Oh my god. So lap dance ऐसे generally lap dance के basis पे नहीं हुआ. It happened in a truth and dare. So there was a dare that was given to my friend, and in that dare she had to dance on my lap, and oh my god, that was so embarrassing. So yes, it happened and it was kind of embarrassing. Never have I ever deleted a post on social media because it didn't get enough like. Yes, I did that. Because nowadays I'm seeing that people are putting out anything on social media. It is getting viral, and when I'm putting so much of effort, getting ready and doing so many things and still not getting good results, then at that time I got frustrated and I deleted some of my posts because it didn't get likes जितने उसको आने चाहिए थे. So I did that, and I know बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं, so not to get embarrassed, but yes. Next up, this is the last question of our, oh my god, I did 19 questions. So this is the last question, that is, never have I ever peed in a pool. Oh my god. Not as an adult, but yes, when I was in 4th, 5th or some grade, I think we went for a picnic to some swimming pool area, some sort of that kind of area it was, and we were in a pool, and I was like feeling like to kar diya ho gaya. So yes, I did. Not gonna finish this last sip. Instead of that, I'm gonna have this one. So guys, this was the video, and I hope you have enjoyed watching me in this video, and I have answered all of the questions very genuinely. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, put down your suggestions in the comment section down below, and now we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Bye.